this episode, we're gonna be doing the slime challenge. Okay, guys. So first thing we're gonna do, we got Elmer's clear glue. So we're gonna pour our Elmer's clear glue in our bottle.
In a bottle. You gonna pour the whole thing?
I'm gonna pour the whole thing.
Yeah, okay. Man, I like it. Oh, that would be hard to come out.
That's only for the clear glue glitter glue.
Ooh.
That sounds weird.
Sound like the needle. She boo. What y'all crying for, man? Alright.
Yeah, you can stir yours if you want.
Still ain't got nothing in there, dog.
I know. But for some people, they can stir theirs
There.
to try to get a little texture.
Alrighty.
I got a secret recipe for my slime, so Mimi do not try to steal my
Oh, you got a recipe. Okay. I think y'all in with it. So y'all got some tricks up y'all sleeve, huh? Y'all got some tricks up y'all sleeve.
Okay, and then so the next thing we're gonna make our activator. We're gonna put it in the bowl. So we got baking soda and some contact solution.
Activator and solution.
Dad!
Hey!
Mommy, we can't do that. Mom, we can't do that.
Let me see what you gonna do.
Start it up. Yeah, put some contact
I want a
solution.
Felicia.
That ain't so hard to open. I ain't know it that hard to open, man. God.
What's that, Mama?
That Wawa. That's a lot of solution, man.
Oh my
One
God!
bowl for everybody. Everybody.
Okay, I'm gonna just open the whole top, y'all. Cause it just gets
I'm gonna use that blue, you know what I'm saying? You got to. Go
You
ahead.
know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Huh?
Well, I'm using all the colors.
You finish it.
What the world? What she do?
She just doing all types of things with her stuff now.
What?
She just get.
So right now I'm mixing my baking soda and my contact solution
This
together.
thing ain't gonna go through right.
So we mixing it. I ain't gonna lie, that job look easy, but man, hard cause I forgot with everything you gotta do just that quick. That's crazy. I forget that quick. I don't even know.
Mine's starting to get slimy.
Let me see.
Mine's starting to get thick.
Said 2 cups of water. That's 2 teaspoons. They don't even know. Whoa. 2 teaspoons, I guess. Alright. You know how we do it.
Let me try to add some color into mine.
I'm just sticking with one color. I ain't gonna lie, I know I'm gonna win. I know I'm gonna win. Look, I ain't even got
Where
to
the
measure
blue
mine.
at? Nobody didn't pick the blue. Okay. Oh, my stove.
I need blue.
Like I ain't even got to measure mine, huh? I weigh it by the eye.
Really, son?
You gotta know. Huh?
Dad, you need some contact solution?
Yeah.
Oh,
I need some glitter. We're gonna put that glitter in that thing.
He needs some milk.
Oh, man. Who you meddling with?
For real.
Alright, is that right?
Okay.
Now I need blue.
Let's see, I'm gonna use the glitter right here. Look at her little bad butt. Little bad. Yeah!
How your slime gonna turn be good slime, but you just doing one color?
Cause I'm gonna win.
Mine's turning
That's
purple.
not a good reason.
Mine's turning to purple, I think.
I'm gonna win.
Dark purple.
I know I'm gonna win.
So I'm finna get a...
This being hard. Oh, mommy, it's turning pink.
I might finna mix with my hands in a minute. Because it's starting to be thick.
It's getting
Get
hard.
thick now.
So,
This baking soda working for real.
No.
They doing what it do. Look at mine slamming up. See that, guys? See how it gets?
It's getting thick.
Getting thick. See that, guys? Hey, man, this is what I do, man. They say everything I touch turn to gold, and I believe it. Look at it.
Did you touch it yet to see if it was sticky or not?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna add 2 different colors of...
Mm-hmm.
It's purple.
Yeah, you see it?
See, mine's turning purple too.
What purple?
See what y'all looking like.
Mine purple. It's getting hard.
Okay, mine just fell
There it
in the
is.
slime.
Slime, guys.
Hey,
Hey, man, I learned something every day, man, with the kids. It's crazy. It's real crazy, man. I don't like the feel of it. That's one thing for sure.
yeah.
But it's crazy. It's so sticking to my hands. I know that.
Okay.
It's real sticky. I'm glitter down everywhere. Look at y'all. Okay, got the pink, got the purple. You add so much stuff on yours, I believe yours gonna be watery. Yours? Like mine just a little too sticky because it's sticking to everything I'm touching.
Okay, mine is activated.
Mine activated too.
You don't activate too? Ooh,
Mine is
that's that slime.
okay. And more activated.
It's sticking.
Yes.
I'm not big. I ain't gonna lie, I think I might just become.
Dang.
See that, guys?
So guys, I'm gonna need
I should work for Nick Yola.
mine. So guys,
Nickelodeon.
I'm gonna need mine.
They stay with that
in
slime,
my
so
hand.
if y'all watching this, Nick Yola, contact me ASAP. Yeah,
With my
that's that
hands.
slime for real.
So,
Ooh.
This getting hard to.
Ooh. That ain't everywhere.
this is getting real hard.
I know it is. I know who won this, and I'm looking at it.
You did not win yet.
Y'all comment below, guys. Tell me who won this.
Please
challenge.
comment. Team Anisha, come on.
Team Aaliyah.
Is that right?
I know.
Is that what it is? You got the pink, you got the purple, and I got the blue. I should have did a rainbow kind.
That's what I was doing. That's what I was been doing. It ain't turning out right now.
You ain't turn out right. Well, I don't think I'm glad I didn't do it. Look at it. Ooh. Like a little cotton candy swab.
I just gotta add like a lot
I'm
of
making some
activated
mess.
because it's getting real sticky, y'all.
And you always making slime though. So you should know how to do this back in your hand. Without calling the sink up, clogging it up. Yeah, look alright so far.
Oh.
It's hard, I know that. And they said you gotta use the baby oil on your hands so it won't stick to you.
Yeah, but the baby oil just gonna make it like well, I'm putting contact solution in my
It
hand.
looks like you're struggling over there, Dad.
Man, I'm struggling bad, man. Real bad. I should have second thought this playing with this stuff. I should have just let y'all do that. I don't fool with this stuff.
Mine turned out right.
Yeah, you don't turn that pretty good. Mine turned that bad.
Okay.
Real bad. But I know what, it ain't sticking to the glass though. It coming straight up.
Okay, guys, mine's turned out right.
But y'all did alright. I must ain't put enough. Nah, it did right. It right.
Okay.
Once again, guys, comment below. First, subscribe. First, subscribe and like if you haven't already subscribed.
And hit that notification bell button.
Yeah. Then comment below to who won. Now, I know some of y'all say I won. Oh, y'all feel like it. Don't feel like it. Just put it down there and say I won. Like, you know? You feel me?
Mine's is pokey. Mine's real pokey.
It pokey.
Yeah.
What you mean? The glitter sticking you?
No.
Oh. Yeah, see, look, my slime now, see, I'm getting it all off from his slime. They got to fool around with it. And I think I should have put a little more glitter, man. I was babysitting the glitter or something. I don't know what I was. I should have put a little more. Let's see you on. Okay, you put a little glitter yours now. All right. Oh, you swept yours right now, now. God. You made it. Okay. See, I can't do that. I can't do it. They've been doing this, man. They said they've been doing this and they jumped out the porch.
Can I add another color?
I don't think you want to do that right now. It's a little too late.
Okay, I think I should add some.
Look how gooey it is, man.
Can I feel?
So imagine on a Nicky Yolen show when they be up under that thing and stuff splash on them. Do it be this sticky?
Nah, it be like liquid, like.
That's crazy.
It be like glue liquid.
I was thinking about taking that trip to Nicky Yolen. We're gonna go on that little trip. See
I
how
think
this
I
go.
won.
I think I won. I'm pretty sure.
You think you won, huh? You started putting glitter now.
Yeah, because I was planning on putting that glitter.
Yeah, y'all look way better than mine a little bit. I like how mine look though. I should have put a little more glitter, but you should win because you've been doing this for a while now.
Mama, look at that slime on
For a
these
very
shit.
long time. Look at this slime on this little kid. Look, ooh!
Okay.
They just melting, man.
I will do some.
Turn up time.
Okay, now it's.
All right. No, boo boo.
Mine is like real big. Scoop this back. So.
All right. You good? All right. This is the outcome of our slime. I can't even control the slime, man. It's crazy. Look at it.
I think I won. I think I won, y'all.
I think I won. I can't lie. It might not be glittery enough, but it's so slimy though. See that?
Yours looks like a royal blue.
That's clean. Guys, comment below and tell us who won.
I think I won.
Now for the grown folks who watching, now don't take the kids' side because they kids. We all want to be fair now. Who won? And the kids that watching, I know y'all let kids rule. But hey, who won? Let us know. And
Comment down below.
comment down below, like she said, huh?
And don't forget to hit the notification bell button.